My name is Tayfun. I've studied at Linnaeus University in the Innovation through Business, Engineering and Design program. We had lots of hands-on projects with companies, so it was really giving practical knowledge to us, and also working and also studying with other disciplines like design and business was also super good opportunity for us to understand to each other. I think it is really important for the companies as well, because the students can bring very new ideas and also can bring really fresh knowledge to the companies. So then the companies need some good research, academic research. Students' collaboration gives some new angles to companies as well. Later, I had a job interview here in Ikea. Then I started working in Ikea.